Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here today and spending some time with me here on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm really excited because I finally am sharing a glimpse with you of what our life looks like, especially in our living room, since we've had our little girl. I did have my first baby in February, and she will be about 2 months on Easter. So time is flying by, but we definitely live in our living room. So my husband and I, we've been taking shifts with our little one, and we're constantly in the living room, changing diapers, feeding her, whether we're eating a quick dinner or watching TV, we spend a lot of time in here. So I'm really happy to dive in and get started on cleaning the living room today. So what I'm doing is just taking off all the pillows and blankets. If you are a returning subscriber, then you do know my husband and I had purchased this couch about a year ago from Raymore and Flanagan, and we absolutely love it. But with anything and everything else in my home, I like to just make sure that we take good care of all the things that we own. So with this couch being so light, it's really important to me and my husband that, we maintain it. And for right now, just the season that we are in life, we're tossing down these blankets. They're so much easier to clean if we get anything on them or if our daughter gets anything on them. Whereas I feel like with the couch, I just don't want there to be a lot of stains. I do have that Bissell Green machine that is really great for getting out tough stains, but I just want to, have this couch last us as long as it can. So what I'm doing right now is taking off the blankets and vacuuming our couch and the couch cushions. I did show at the beginning of this clip what the Dyson looked like empty. I totally forgot to show you guys what it looks like after vacuuming the couches, but it is beyond satisfying what the Dyson can pick up, and it just makes me think, oh my gosh, what is on our couches? A lot can accumulate there. So I like to do this probably, about every other week, sometimes once a month. It just depends how busy we are, but it feels so great, and I love to see those vacuum lines on the couch cushions. Like, there's nothing better than that. So as I'm recording this, I actually wanted to vacuum these couch cushions a lot sooner, but what I did was I cleaned out our Dyson. So I got this idea from Jess Christine. Her channel is Keep Calm and Clean here on YouTube. She's one of my favorite cleaning YouTube channels. But anyway, getting back to the point. So what I had done was about 2 weeks ago, I completely cleaned our Dyson vacuum and all of its pieces. And I was a little bit nervous, I'll be honest, but I trusted Jess. She said, rest assured, as long as you take the battery out and you clean it, in the tub, which is what I did. I did exactly what she did. I used Dawn dish soap and then our little hose in the tub to clean it out, and I let it dry for probably 4 to 5 days before reassembling it. So I've been wanting to clean the couch, but I've just been kind of putting it off. So that's okay, not a big deal, but because I did do this and I wanted to make sure that it worked, if that's something that you're interested in, let me know, and I can definitely make a video of how to clean out your Dyson vacuum, because it was so satisfying, and the amount of gunk that had been in there. We've had our Dyson for 2 years since my husband and I got married in 2020, and it was just incredible. Like, the amount of dirt and particles that just continued to come out as I was cleaning it. So let me know if you guys would like to see that in a future video. So you can actually see a little bit here in this clip already how much the Dyson has accumulated. All of that dirt, that dust, that is entirely just from these 3 couch cushions and everything underneath. So granted, our daughter, she's only almost 2 months old. I don't want to rush time. She's actually about 6 weeks now, but I know over time with snacks and having a little toddler, we're going to get a lot more unknowns in the crevices of this couch, but it's still pretty fascinating to me, the amount of dirt and dust that can be picked up just from really like me and my husband and a little infant. So for right now, I am just going to let some music play. So whether you're just watching me to get some inspiration, or if you are cleaning along with me, I am going to let the music play for a little bit, and then I'll check back in with you guys here in just a few minutes. I had recently actually washed all of these blankets. So what I did was just kind of fold them and get them ready for us to use, a little bit later that day. But sometimes if I'm doing a deep clean, that's one of the first things I'll do is throw in the blankets and the pillow covers and just get those started. But for today, easy enough. All I had to do was fold them up. So right now I am just cleaning out or reorganizing the diaper caddy, just making sure that we have everything that we need. I'm looking around, taking things that, don't belong in the living room and finding their proper homes throughout the house. I'm also, what am I doing right now? Sorry, the recording thing is up, so it's hard to see. So yeah, I'm just kind of getting everything organized, taking a sip of coffee. Mamas, we need our coffee. I don't know about you. That was a big 32-ounce coffee this Sunday, and boy, oh boy, did I need it. So right now I'm just kind of going through the pack and play, just seeing, if there's any dirty burp cloths. Sometimes I like to collect the binkies, make sure that I give those a good wash with all of my daughter's bottles. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now. As I'm looking back right now and doing this voiceover recording, I just wanted to share with you that yes, I got a lot done in the living room today, but what you don't see on camera is, the mess that had accumulated in the kitchen and in the bathroom and the dirty clothes on the floor or the mail over the counter, that still needs to be put away, or things that we bring in. We have a little table in our kitchen that I feel like is the dumping ground for the kitchen. So just know, I think especially being a mom, I do talk about this, like find one thing to do that you want to tackle. So whether you want to wash your floors, or for me, I really wanted to vacuum up the couch today, and I thought, while I'm in here, I also want to dust our TV stand. I noticed it was getting dusty on the inside, so that's something that I do in today's video. And for me, while my daughter was napping in the mama-roo right next to me, it felt really good to get those things done. And I knew that the kitchen wasn't done for this Sunday, and that's okay. We can only do so much. And I was thinking about it because sometimes we say we can't do it all. I definitely I agree with that. But at the same time, it's we can do it all. We just have to give ourselves the grace and the time. And we don't have to get it all done in one day, but we definitely do it all as, parents and moms. And whether we're a working mom or stay-at-home mom, there's a lot to manage and balance. But like I said, giving ourselves that grace and knowing that things will get done when they need to get done. I'm definitely pretty type A, and I like to make lists, and I have lists in my head. I'm constantly, I feel like, picking up and cleaning and doing XYZ. My mind is always going, but what's important is to take a step back and, to break things down. That way you can spend more quality time with your family or your children or your dogs, or, doing the things that you love as well, which for me personally, I do love to clean. So it makes me feel better. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, what you see online, it's only a glimpse of somebody's life, and just always remember that. So as my daughter, poor baby, she might want to get up with me right now. But as I'm looking over this video, doing the voiceover, I just want to say I love these slippers. They were gifted to me by my mom's best friend, and I'm obsessed with them. I don't know where she got them, but if you are interested in them, I can definitely find out because I want to get another pair. I love just the style, the color. I like how as we're getting into warmer spring here in Massachusetts, they're not fuzzy on the bottom. It's that kind of like plasticky, not like plastic, but it's like that harder material. And I don't know, I just love that. So if you're interested, I will try to find out where they're from because I definitely want to get myself another pair. So funny enough, as I'm actually recording this voiceover, you may hear my daughter in the background. We're spending some time together. She just woke up from her nap. So anyway, but when I was filming this video, I had wanted to vacuum the rug with our Dyson, but same thing. My daughter had, woken up from a nap. She was fussing. So I just put on the Roomba and then I spent the rest of the day with my daughter. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being here today and just give yourself that grace like I had mentioned. Please leave a comment down below and definitely hit that subscribe button. I am trying to upload every Wednesday, at least once a week, as frequently as I can. Bye, guys.